You may be wondering if you can make the AI emoji with the Genmoji feature in iOS 18. This is actually not possible yet. So how Genmoji works is you type out your emoji prompt in messages and there'll be an Apple Intelligence button which you can select. Now my iPhone has Apple Intelligence enabled. You can see my new Siri here, but the feature just simply doesn't exist in the iOS yet. We need to wait for a software update. So I'm uploading this video when the iOS 18.0 has released to the general public. iOS 18.0 doesn't have Apple Intelligence at all. So I have Apple Intelligence because I am on iOS 18.1 beta 3. This is a beta you can get completely for free, and I'll have a video on how to do that in the description. This has Apple Intelligence, which is available for iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and all iPhone 16 models, as long as you're running the iOS 18.1. And so once that is enabled, you should have the Genmoji option. However, because Genmoji doesn't exist in the iOS 18.1 yet, we can't use the feature until it's available. So once Genmoji has been updated, I'll have the step-by-step tutorial, but all you do, you compose a new message, you type out an emoji prompt, and then there'll be an option to create a Genmoji. There'll be like an Apple Intelligence icon that you see here. You see the icon, you tap that icon, and then it will allow you to use that Genmoji. So you can't use this feature yet because it doesn't exist in iOS 18.0 and it doesn't exist in the 18.1 beta either.